So on this page, it's a little bit different. Here, we had points, 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 points. But here, we have different shapes. So, is it a big deal? No. They want to know, is it a function? So when it's a graph, I don't do different or same. I look at this. I draw a line 1 time, yes. I draw a line 2 times, no. So I'm going to draw a line. And it's 1 time, yes. For the function, I draw a line 1 time, yes. I draw a line 1 time, yes. Let's do this last one over here. Let me zoom out a little bit. I draw a line 1, 2, 3. That's bad. That's a no. Okay? All right. So now let's decide what the domain and the range are. So remember, domain is your x. Now I want you to look here because we have this. And this means forever. Okay? So when I see domain, I want you to think left and right. Don't think here. When I see domain, it's left and right. So as I'm looking here, is it going to the right or the left? It's going to the right, and this means forever. Good. This is going to the left, forever. If it's going to the left forever, and it's going to the right forever, there's something called all real numbers. So what you do is you draw 2 lines and the letter R. Okay? Now I'm going to do the range. Whenever we're dealing with range, we don't look here. We're either dealing with up or down. So let's look. This is going down forever. This is going up forever. If it's going up forever and down forever, boom, all real numbers. 2 lines, the letter R. Okay, let's look at this next one. Okay, forever, forever. Domain. When I'm dealing with domain, I only see left and right. So when I go like this, if you write the word up for domain, nope, up is your range. So that's not good. All right. So now we look here. Forever to the right. Forever to the left. So if it's forever to the left and forever to the right, all real numbers. And now I look at the range. And when I'm dealing with range, I say up or down. This is going forever up. This is going forever down. Forever up, forever down. All real numbers. Okay? Let's look at this one. If you look at this problem, this is different. This, this. So when you see that, do you see forever or no, no? No, it stopped. It stopped. So what I do is I name the points. 4, -1, -2, 1. Okay? Oh, is it a function? Yes. Okay, so domain. If we're dealing with domain, that's the x. So if you look, forever, So I take my x and my x. So I'm going to go like this. I want you to look what I have here. See how I have less than or equal to, less than or equal to, and then there's the x. Less than or equal to, less than or equal to, and then I have the y. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go -2 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 4. And then I go set notation, set notation. Let me zoom in a little bit. And then I see range. Range is my y. Boom, boom. Now, you would think you put a 1 here, but no, because you need the small here and the big there. So it needs to be -1, then less than or equal to y, less than or equal to 1. Okay, so let's go to the next one. I see a dot like this and a dot like this. Okay, is it forever? Nope. So I take the point, 4, 2, -2, -4. And I look at my domain. Domain is my x. So I do set notation, and I have to do the small first. So small, less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 4. Set notation. I do my range. Range is my y. What's smaller? So what's smaller? -4. -4. Less than or equal to y. Less than or equal to 2. Now, is it a function? Let's see. 1 time. Good? Yes. All right. Now let's look at this one. Is this one a forever? Or I guess this would be like a stop. So is it a forever or is it a stop? Okay. So if it's forever, and it's forever, then what are you writing? All real numbers, all real numbers. Okay? So forever, forever, all real numbers. Forever, forever, all real numbers. Forever, forever, all real numbers. Forever? No. X, boom. Y, boom. So now let's look here. Okay? So is it forever? No. So that means it stops. So then I have to look. Well, if I look, I can make a box. Okay? If I look at that, I see here's the point, and that looks like 4, 0, 0, -4, -3, 0, and maybe 0, 3. Okay. Now, is it a function? 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I happy or am I sad? I'm sad. Boom, it's a no. Okay, domain. This is a hard one, okay? So let me put it in set notation, okay? So domain is my x. Well, I have an x here, I have an x here, I have an x here, and I have an x here. But remember, x is left to right. So this is not left, right. This. Left, right. So now small, less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 4. And then I do my range. And I go, okay, range is up and down. So up, down. But it's my y. So this one and this one. And then I go, what is smaller? -4. Less than or equal to y, less than or equal to 3. All right, let's look at this one. Is this one a forever or is this one a stop? Well, let's look. Forever. Forever. So since it's a forever, all real numbers, all real numbers. Okay, let's look at this one. Is it a function? Well, let's look. I go like this. 1, 2. Nope. I can only do 1. So now the domain. Okay, so I'm going to make a box. 0, 3, 3, 0, 0, negative 3, negative 3, 0. Now, domain is left, right. Left, right? No, no. Left, right, x, x. So now, small, less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 3. Range. Range is your y. So range is everything up and everything down. Up, down. So I go y, y. And then I do my set notation. Small first. Small, less than or equal to y, less than or equal to 3. Okay? Now we're going to do this last problem. Okay, so what they want you to do is they want you to take negative 3 and they want you to plug in. So I'm going to take negative 3 and I'm going to plug it in. So I'm going to go 6 divided by negative 3 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, boom, negative 6. 6 divide negative 6, negative 1. Let's try the next one. Take the 0, plug in. 6 divided by 0 minus 3. So 1, 2, 3 equals 6 divided by negative 3. 6 divided by negative 3 is negative 2. Now take this one and plug in. 6 divided by 2 minus 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, by, boom, negative 1. Oops. So 6 divided by negative 1, divide, 6 divide negative 1, negative 6. Okay, let's go here. This is your homework. So what do I want you to do here? Plug in. Here, plug in. Here, plug in. Here, plug in. So you are plug in. Okay? Then this one. This is domain. This is range. So you take these 3, and it's this right here. Okay? And then this one right here, remember it's what times what times what is 27. What times what is 144. And then simplify that one. Okay? And that's it.